What up, guys? It's Zach from Modified World, and today, let's see, maybe you can see it right here, but I'm pointing at the radio. So, if you guys didn't know what that was, that's a radio, but it is lightning. I think the lights just flashed, but besides the point, we're going to try to see what's wrong with this radio. It's not worked since I've had the car. Well, it did work during the test drive and all that. Got home, plugged my iPhone into it, and it said, see you later. It died and never worked since. So, we're going to try to get it out and then go from there. So, we'll keep you updated. All right, boys. So, the front, I guess we'll call it like fascia or cover, whatever, is off. So, basically, you can see it's got these Velcro things here that keeps it in place like so, makes it all clean and tidy looking. So basically common sense, you just pull it easy with care, not like you hate it so you don't break it. But now it looks like there's just probably this thing just slides out or something. We'll see how we get this out. All right, boys, a little update. It is a lot more looser now. You can see in the back and whatnot. But these little screws right here, they're like the size of 31E. If you're not sure what that is, just Google it. They're super long. Not sure if they're supposed to come out or what, but you know, we're making leadway though. Definitely we're getting somewhere. At least we're not nowhere, so we'll see how this goes. Well, boys, it's finally out. What took so long is, if you can see here, there's supposed to be like a thing that comes out. Best way I can describe it, it's like a diving board. We'll say that. You push that down, it slides out. But with this one being broke, you had to press that down and then slide over, press that down. Then it came out. But finally, she's out. Over here in the seat. If it wasn't raining outside, it'd definitely get drop kicked outside for a good 80 yards, I'd imagine. But this looks all disgusting now. What we'll do is have to take this apart, see if it has the SD card. That, if you guys know anything about this radio, it's a Pioneer 4500 NEX. They have a SD image failure that happens, and when that happens, radios don't work. Then you gotta go through all the trouble of taking it out. Shout out this little guy right here, little flathead, lifesaver. But hopefully we'll have a working radio sometime soon. All right, boys, so this is like day 2. Basically what we're gonna do in this little clip or session, because we got it out obviously from the car, now we gotta take this little panel off. 2 screws, pretty easy. Well, 2 each side. Use your trusty head Phillips, unscrew them, take this out, and then there's some instructions on how to get this front cover off. So we'll see how that works, and hopefully my radio will work after this. Alright, gonna try this again. I was recording and something happened, but so we got the screen off. Instructions said use a flathead, we have right here, gently on this. So I go using it gently, you know, popping, you know. I hear a crack, and it sounded like an 80-year-old woman's knee cracking when she gets up. So I'm very certain, very certain I broke something. And I'm pretty sure there is supposed to be a SD card that goes like in this area. I think that's what the picture says on eBay. So probably, not sure if it's the fix, but the piece is $52, I believe. So I'm in the dilemma of spending $52 and trying to fix it, and then just to realize that my radio is broke. And then I just spent $52 when I could use that $50 and some change to a new radio. So I'm in the dilemma of tossing this in the garbage or just selling it really cheap and maybe someone can fix it for cheap, or just buying a new radio. So $50 and hope it works, or 100% guarantee the new unit works. And I also noticed there is a CD here. I wish I could see what this CD was. See if the previous owner had good jams. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is toast. Just giving you guys an update. So I think what I'm going to do is just buy a new radio. So this is probably the end of the video. Wish we could have fixed it, but you know, sometimes things just don't work as you hope, such as this. But I mean, at least I got a new head unit and upgrade some mods, visual stuff. But she's toast. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out.